Hello students, welcome to Python programming class lecture 25. We are learning unit 3 part 4 lists. Once again check the syllabus of lists. List is a sequence, lists are mutable, traversing a list operations, list slices, list methods, map, filter and reduce, creating elements, lists and strings, object and values, aliasing and list arguments. So lecture 23-24 6 topics are completed. Today we will learn 3 topics and next lecture we will discuss another 3 topics. Let's get into the lecture. First, coming to the map, filter and reduce. Right? These 3 are very important in lists. Okay? So try to work with the practical examples. Right? Let's get into the Jupyter lab. Let's check one example for mapping. So before going to mapping, first check one normal example without mapping. Here my pets. So my underscore pets, these are the list of my pets. So names, give any names, Alfred, Tabitha, William, Arla, like that. You can give your pet names, right? In the list. Now the main program is here all are small letters. I want to capitalize each and every letter in the list. So the program is initially give one empty set upper underscore pets empty. Initially the list is empty. For pet in my pets. For I, you can give I also, no problem. For pet in my pets, that means we are using all elements in the list. So pet underscore, so for easy understanding give pet1. So pet1 equal to, what is pet1? Pet dot upper. So first one dot upper. Now that one is appended to this list. So upper underscore pets dot append of. So change this into pet1. So initially empty, right? So we are taking this element converted into upper and then that is appended to upper underscore pets. So finally we are printing with set upper underscore pets. Run the code. See here all elements are changed. So this is a normal program without mapping. Now coming to the mapping. So how we are using mapping. So check the code here. Same list my underscore pets equal to, this is the list. Now upper underscore pets, directly I am combining all these. So how we are combining? The final output is list. So this is the final output. So that is list of map. I am using map, right? So inside the map, so what are these elements? Strings. So string dot upper comma convert into upper. So use all elements and convert it into uppercase. That's why comma give the list name my underscore pets. So finally print upper underscore pets will generate like this. So both are same, but here without mapping, here with mapping. So map of, I am converting the string into uppercase, right? I am converting the string into uppercase. Finally all are converted, displayed in a list format. So that is mapping. Now coming to the filter. So here take one list scores, give one function, define a function is a student. So give the parameter as score. So return if score is greater than 75. If the score is greater than 75, it will return, right? So we need greater than 75 marks, not other marks, right? That is filtering. So over underscore 75 equal to, we need a list filter. So we need to use this function is a student comma. So what are the main list here? Scores. So list of filter of the function name and the main list. So print the over 75 list. So after running this will be printed, right? Greater than 75. So this is filter. Filter can be used in different way. So let's check the another method. So check this example. Same list scores, list of filter of, instead of giving a function, I am giving a lambda function. So here lambda value is variable is x, that x is greater than 75, right? So run the code. So we'll get like this. So this is lambda function. So variable is x. So x is greater than 75. So you can give a. So give a. So we'll get like this, right? So that is filter. Now coming to the reduce. So here we are importing reduce function from function tools package. So here this is the package, function tools package. From the function tools I am importing reduce function. So this is the number. So custom sum, this is the function. So give the first number, second number. What we have to return? First number plus second number. Result equal to reduce of custom underscore number comma numbers. So print the number, so it will display 68. So that is the reduce. That is the map filter reduce function. That's the map filter and reduce. Next, coming to the deleting elements. So how to delete elements from the list? So check the example here. Take one list ABC. So first method of deleting is here I am popping the element. I am popping the element. That element is assigned to a variable. That means pop of 1. Pop of 1 means check index. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Right? Now I am deleting the element which the index value is 1. So now the index value 1, what is the element here? B. So that will be deleted, and that is assigned to which variable? X. Now what is T? Print T. So B is deleted, so A and C, B is removed. Where is B now? B is assigned to X. Now print X, that is B. Right? So here we are popping the element and assigning that element into another variable. Right? Another method is, suppose you don't want popping element, so you don't want to store deleting element. So what you have to do? Directly you will delete. So this is the list T equal to A, B, C. Directly you can remove T dot remove of B. T dot remove of B. So print T, A and C. So here you are not storing B. You are not storing B, but here you are storing the B. Right? That is another method. Next, coming to the another one. So same example, A, B, C list. Delete, DEL. So delete T of 1 by specifying the index. So you are deleting one index element. So now print T, A and C. Right? B is not there because you deleted here. This is another method. Next one, take this one, A, B, C, D, E, F, one list. Delete, you can delete multiple elements also. So from starting to ending. So T of 1 starting point, this is ending point, but ending point is excluded. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 included, 5 excluded. So B, C, D, E are deleted. So what are the remaining? A and F are printed. So that is the deleting elements, right? So that's the concept. Now coming to the last one, lists and strings, right? So here we are converting a string. We are converting a string into list of characters by using list command, right? So let's check one example. So yes is a string spam. So what is the string here? Spam. Now I am converting this string into lists. So list, I am using list keyboard of yes, right? So that is assigned to T. So now print T. So all these characters are separated. So S, P, A, M, that will be displayed as a list, right? So that is the concept here. So we are converting string into the list. Another one, see here, string is pinning for the F jots, right? Now I am splitting, right? So splitting the string and converted into list. So here s dot, this s is splitting, right? So and assigned to T. So print T. So pinning is one element, for is one element, the is one element, f jots is another element, right? So that is splitting. And next one is splitting by using any other character. So here s is spam, spam, spam. In between I am using one hyphen, right? So by using that I am separating. So how? So this is called delimiter. So this hyphen is assigned to delimiter variable. Now same s dot split, s dot split based on the delimiter, based on the delimiter. So this hyphen is removed. So spam comma spam comma spam. So this is another method. Now check another example. Here t equal to pinning for the f jots. So this is one. So t is a list. Now list is converted into string. So how to reverse? So up to now list is converted, sorry, up to now string is converted to list, but now list is converted to string. So the delimiter is space, right? So delimiter dot join of t. So pinning, what is the delimiter? Space for space the space f jots, right? Like that you will join the list and convert it into strings, right? Let's get into the Jupyter lab for better understanding. So that's the concept of lists and strings. That is the today's lecture. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.